Meanwhile, the district attorney's office has cut a deal with a former city councilman at the center of a scandal.
That deal prevents Loniel Greene from facing perjury charges after lying under oath, but he's not in the clear yet. Our Chris Conti was there for an emotionally charged day in court.
Raise your right hand, be sworn, please.
For the first time since resigning, former city councilman Loniel Greene made a public appearance today. Not for political purposes, but in court.
I'd like to make a statement. I wanted to recant on my testimony given at the last January the 6th source hearing.
Without missing a beat, Greene turned the witness stand into his podium. This all stems back to Christmas, when police say Greene's cousin, Tavares Buchanan, nearly beat his girlfriend to death.
First video is of the victim is laying in maybe a floor. It's hard to tell. The victim's completely naked, almost in a fetal position. She is very scared.
As detectives described a video they found showing the alleged assault, the victim could be seen sobbing. Today's hearing was to determine if bonds should be revoked for Buchanan.
See, she's going to have to be shut down. I'm going to deal with her.
After phone calls surfaced seeming to show Greene wanted to keep the victim from testifying. The former city councilman then admitted he lied when he told the judge he could pay for Buchanan's bond.
Did you testify on January 6th before General Sessions Court Division 1 that you were the source of the money being used to make Mr. Buchanan's
I did.
bonds? Was that true?
It was not.
Were you under oath at that time?
I was.
Greene then said he got the $10,000 bond money from a bag of cash that was behind a relative's couch.
What that basically says is, you go forward with this, you're out of the family.
No, Your Honor. Because the family has been through this before, what we're saying is, in the toxic relationship, if you're going to stay with him, work on your issues.
We also learned the DA's office won't prosecute the former councilman for lying under oath.
But you're here today under the belief that you will not be prosecuted, correct, Mr. Greene?
We've had those discussions, yes.
Councilman, what kind of message does it send to other people that you can lie under oath and not be prosecuted for it? Not the kind of day the victim was expecting.
I'm a little upset because I still don't feel like Greene is telling the truth, and I felt intimidated.
Greene's cousin Tavares Buchanan is being ordered to stay under GPS monitoring until a court hearing next week. Tonight, the DA's office tells us that they cut that deal with Greene, but it does not keep him from facing other possible charges. Vicki?
Thanks, Chris.